Hello friends, I am Saksham Gupta. Today we learn animals and their homes. Let's start. Bear lives in cave. Ant lives in ant hill. Bee lives in hive. Spider lives in web. Pig lives in pigsty. Rabbit lives in burrow. Cow lives in shed. Lion lives in den. Mouse lives in hole. Hen lives in coop. Hart lives in stubble. Dove lives in dovecot. Many birds lives in the cage. Crocodile lives in nest. Dog lives in kennel. Monkey lives in trees. Duck lives in pond. Fox lives in burrow. Elephant lives in jungle. Hippopotamus lives in canyon. Deer lives in grassland. Goat lives in hill. Giraffe lives in stubble. Cheetah lives in safari. Fish lives in pond and water. Camel lives in desert. Kangaroo lives in hollow tree.